Hello guys, I am Ariaran. We are here to learn about JUnit. It is the unit testing framework for the Java programming language. For that we are going to see some examples. Here I am creating area class. In that class I have created a method called area of the square and I have included the formula in the method. Then moving the head to the test class, I have created one area testing class. In that I have created two methods called equals of equal value. If I want to declare the test method means I have to mention a test annunciation. Then I have created one object for the area class. I am passing parameters to the area of the square method. With the help of assert function I am comparing accepted value the method value. That then it is equal means that the test case will be I passed, otherwise the test case will be failed. We can run the test case using the pop-up icon. Here you will see the desired output. The passed test node denotes the green line and the failed case denotes the red line. Thanking you guys.